Right now is 170, 113 with a cross-country service to Nottingham.
What the heck was that?
As you can see, we are at Long Eaton. We are at Long Eaton on the Midland Main Line, where we'll be seeing services by East Midlands Railway and cross country. This will actually be one of my shorter films. About 15 to 20 minutes in length, about approximately. First impressions? I actually really like it. You got great views of the line curving down towards Nottingham and Leicester. And if you just head up here, I actually don't know what's up here. I've only seen that end so far. I do love the high elevation of this station though. Looks like we got some more. It looks like we got more. Looks like we got more stuff. Looks like we've got some more corner action. Oh no, so trains pass through here like really flipping slow, like 30 mile an hour. Yep, precisely. A long sweeping corner. I don't know why I didn't come here sooner. This is absolutely brilliant. You got great views of the line. It's got a nice amount of character as well. High level, great. I love it. So yeah, let's see what shall turn up. Passing through now, we have a train. That's all I can say. It's an East Midlands Railway Meridian. Thanks, buddy. It's 222-005. Yeah, I will admit, that was actually pretty good. East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield to London St Pancras, 222-005. Passing through now is an East Midlands Railway service from London St Pancras to Sheffield.
Passing through now is the London St Pancras to Sheffield,
222-001.
Today, we're at Long Eaton, situated on the Midland Main Line. We'll be seeing services from East Midlands Railway and cross country.
This is a true fact. Putting it now is a cross-country service from Nottingham to Cardiff.
There's a cross country service to Cardiff.
You can just see it trundling in. This is 170, 114.
170, 114.
So far, my prediction is correct. This should be 156, 9, 9, 9, 7, 9, 9, 8, 9, 6. 158, 916. 156, 916.
156, 916 at 14 to 1324. East Midlands
Railway service to Newcastle. I think this one called it Spondon, which is why it's 3 minutes later. Departing now is 156, 916 with the 1320 for East Midlands Railway service to Newcastle. Look for 156, 916. And 170, 114 is also off.
170, 114 is also off.
I think I'm going to stick to recording trains down this direction. You know what? I really do love Long Eaton Station.
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful. You got beautiful curving track down that leads down towards Attenborough.
You've even got views from Radcliffe Power Plant.
Yep. And yeah, overall, this is just tremendous. Passing through now, we should have a cross-country service from Birmingham New Street to Nottingham. Because we've already had the Meridian pass through bound for London, this should be a turbo from Birmingham to Nottingham.
I'm going to do it from down here.
Long Eaton, definitely a station we will be coming back to, am I right?
Yep.
I mean, technically we'll be coming back here tomorrow. However, we won't be getting off. Because tomorrow we'll be heading up to Duffield for the Ecclesbourne Valley Railway Diesel Multiple Unit Gala. So you can expect from me at least one journey on the EVR with old-fashioned window hanging banter. I mean, this won't be going up on Saturday. My Derby video will be going up on Saturday because he will be uploading his Derby video first. Am I right with that?
Yeah.
Here it is. Moving incredibly slowly, we have a 3-coach turbo star, I believe. Yep, 3.
Yeah.
Is it 110?
171.
110.
10.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you.
Now this is what I like to see. Trains slowly trundling through, am I right? That's actually 15 minutes late, by the way. I should have passed through before the Sprinter did, but it didn't.
Let's just enjoy some film recording while that's going slow.
Trundling round the corner.
At what?
10.
10, maybe 15 miles per hour.
So yeah, if you want some more high-speed action, you're not getting it here. If you want high-speed action, go to Beeston. If you want some slow-speed action, come here. Because there are a lot of similarities between Long Eaton and Beeston. Both Beeston and Long Eaton see 2 trains an hour thundering through to London. One of which stops. Now is the 1337 East Midlands Railway service to Matlock, worked by 156 918. And that is let off. Trundling off round the corner. The train can now go 80. Yes. Putting in now is an East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield to London up to Pancras. You are 222-011. Sheffield City Battalion. What are you on about? The platform could just barely handle 5 coaches. Right now it's 222-011 with the 1340 East Midlands Railway service to London to Manchester. This is running late, by the way. Same situation as Derby. There's a cross-country service to Birmingham. This will be our last train.
Incoming now, we do have B.
It's a passing cross-country service from Birmingham to Birmingham.
Cross-country service from Birmingham, from Nottingham to Birmingham. Same situation as Derby. We had one.
Yeah.
Because of a slight problem.
Yeah. But you know what? Who cares? We're off.
We're off. You're on 171, 522 with 17111.
So yeah, we shall see you next at Duffield.
After passing same across country service to Birmingham.
Yeah. So take care. Be sure to do all the other stuff the other YouTubers tell you to do. And yeah, I'll stay quiet now, as the train should be passing. There we go. See ya.